Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the most delicious salmon fillet. First, ensure your salmon is completely dry by patting it with paper towels. This is key for that amazing crispy skin. Next, season both sides of your fillets generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a hint of garlic powder. Then, heat about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil, in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Once your pan is hot, carefully place the salmon fillet skin side down. Immediately press down gently on each fillet for about 30 seconds to ensure full contact with the pan, which helps achieve uniform crispiness. Let it cook undisturbed for 4 to 6 minutes, or until the skin is beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Then, flip the salmon and cook for another 2 to 4 minutes, depending on how thick your fillet is, for a perfect medium rare. To elevate the flavor, add 2 tablespoons of butter, a few sprigs of fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary, and a slice of lemon to the pan during the last minute of cooking. Tilt the pan and spoon the melted butter and pan juices over the salmon repeatedly. This basting technique infuses the fish with incredible richness and aroma. Remove the salmon from the heat when its internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal doneness. After cooking, transfer your perfectly seared salmon to a plate and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the fillet, ensuring every bite is moist and tender. Garnish with some fresh dill or parsley and a final squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a bright finish. It's truly the only way to make salmon. Also, for an effortless way to keep your kitchen spotless, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.